Okay, welcome to the Storm Blizzard update here, and we're seeing some pretty impressive wind gusts out there. Getting close to fit. We actually had a gust up to 52 miles an hour at Islip right now. So that just happened. 45 mile an hour wind gust at JFK. They had a wind gust also up to 52. So, and I can hear the wind in here too. It's really picking up now, and we're really starting to see the power outages starting to climb here. 49 mile an hour wind gust at Gabreski. So we're seeing these wind gusts, 56 mile an hour wind gust at this buoy. This buoy gusted up to 58 miles an hour. That is incredible. Looking at the radar, you can see here, there's that band coming in to Long Island. It's over eastern Long Island. We'll see how far west it pivots, but it's definitely pivoting in. Here's our satellite image of the storm, and you can see really nicely wound up, and you can see that that nice banding that we have going on right now. Power outage situation, all right, that has climbed. We're now up to 2,347 customers without power, mainly in Nassau County. These are mainly smaller outages, but I expect this number to go up in the next couple of hours. Still not a whole lot over Suffolk, but there's a lot over the East End. So East End, Nassau County being impacted the most. Jersey Central Power and Light still dealing with a lot of problems. Over 52,000 customers without power, and mainly along the Jersey Shore, Ocean County, and also some outages inland too, but mostly along the shore. Monmouth all the way through. You can see all the outages here. It's just too many to go over. Lots of large outages to speak of. Snowfall totals, I guess we can look at that. And we'll also look at the latest observation from Islip as well here. They're reporting half-mile visibility. Let's look at those snow totals, if we can get to them. I know they're on the map. We'll see if we can get some updated snowfall totals. Okay, they just posted, Mount Holly just posted some snow totals, so we're going to look at them and see. All right, so do have some. Atlantic City Airport, 6.9. That's as of midnight, not quite current. So let's go to the winter weather thing here and see what you got here. Winter weather, and I'm tired now, so where is it? I can't even find it. Oh, there it is. All right, observations reports, and you start to see some of these numbers now. We have a few more numbers coming in. That wind is really picking up. 11.8 in East Meadow, so that is closing in on a foot in Nassau County, probably closing in on a foot in much of Long Island here. 10.1 in Ridge. I think we are closing in on a foot right now, and we still have more snow to go, so we're still going to get more. And 8 inches at Lakewood. That's an old observation. I can't even use that. 11.2, 1242 is probably closing in on a foot. So definitely closing in on a foot, not by these lower numbers from only 4.5 at Barnegat. That is surprising. That was at 10 p.m. I'm sure that's higher now. Seaside, let's take a look and show you what Seaside looks like. And I want to show you this because it looked like there was some flooding. Look at this. This is pretty bad here. But if we go back, it looked like, yeah, you could see there's like a little bit of a reflection there. You see that? So I think we've had some water, and the water just keeps getting covered up by the snow falling. So I'm wondering if we're having an overwash, or this is just some kind of artifact from the lighting. Not sure about that. All right. So I guess that pretty much okay. One more radar to look at here, and we'll go ahead and we'll go to the precept type radar. And so there's that heavy band, that dark blue right now over the South Fork. So that's it. Storm's right here. So, yeah, the brunt of it is coming in the next hour or two with the strongest winds and the heaviest snow, blizzard conditions outside right now. And look at some, see if we can get some new observations here. But you can see that wind is really going pretty good. As one more thing I want to look at, marine. Yeah, let me go to marine here. Just let me look at a marine observations, see, because of course that thing never shows everything. That weather and hazards map never shows everything. You always got to go to this and to get to the actual summary of the marine observations, which I really do want to look at here. Millibars, we're already seeing observations down 993 millibars offshore. And yeah, they're all unavailable. We don't have any buoy. We have no wave data Are you kidding me? Um, this is pathetic. All right, we have the 9-foot waves. This is very, very bad. We're really neglecting our buoy system, but that's for another time. We have snowfall total reports are Upton here as well. We'll just look at Long Island here, Nassau, East Meadow. Yeah, closing in on a foot here. What about Suffolk County? Nescon's at 14.2, so over a foot right now. And that's where you're going to get close in, I think, over 20 inches perhaps in Suffolk County. Because we still got to get through that band, and that band is going to put down even more snow for sure. So we still got to get through that, and that's going to put down even more snow. Unfortunately, we don't really have any more. This band here is really impressive, though. Let's go to the high res and then wrap this update up. But you can see, look at that. That band is going to give you another at least. It's just a question of how far back west does this band pivot. But it looks like it's really trying to pivot at least into Suffolk County. We'll have to see if it makes it into Nassau. But this band is going to have some very impressive snowfall rates. And hopefully, hopefully, but I kind of want to see some thunder snow. We're getting this much snow. Let's get some thunder snow out of it. So that's all I got for you. This is the last update now until tomorrow, like 9 a.m. or something like that at the earliest. I doubt I'll have any other videos between now and then unless it's of the snow falling, because I've got to now intercept this band and go outside, find some place safe to watch it when it comes through and get hopefully some pretty amazing footage of it if it holds together and makes it this far west. So that's it for now.